Recently, customers have received much feedback about tangled and unsmooth hair due to getting caught in clothes when moving on the road or in outdoor conditions with strong winds. Don't worry, here's some tips for you to do it yourself at home. Step 1. How to brush a wig properly. Place the wig on the dummy head and position the pins firmly. Use the wire comb to smooth the hair, or you can use your fingers to gently scratch the wig before brushing. When brushing, do not let the comb tip touch the wig cap. This can quickly damage your wig. Step 2. Instruction on how to clean wigs simply at home. Do not let the hair get tangled before getting wet. You should brush your hair before washing. Put the in your hands. Apply evenly to the wig. Then rinse the hair with cold water. While rinsing, let the water flow partly into the hair. Rinse from top to bottom and use your hand to lightly scratch the top of the head and gradually move to the ends of the hair. After rinsing, squeeze it gently to drain the water. Then use a soft towel to dry the hair. Step 3. Nourishment is the simplest way to restore the wig. If you want to smooth and shiny wig like real hair, use your conditioner, hair treatment, and moisturizing solution to provide the necessary nutrients for the hair. You can do one of the following. Method 1. Keep the hair damp and apply a moderate amount of conditioner and hair treatment. Depending on the length, you can measure its shape. Apply evenly to the hair and leave it for 15 to 30 minutes. Then rinse with cold water. After rinsing and drying, you should use a special moisturizing product for natural real hair. Method 2. This is a simple way to restore the wig but save a lot of money and brings very good results. Soak the entire wig in the basin of fabric softener for some time simply. Then rinse thoroughly and you're done. So, hope you will successfully to apply the above